today's video I'm going to be showing you a shoe related video. Now I love shoes and I personally think that shoes are one of the most important things of an outfit, along with the clothes of course. Shoes really give you that extra edge to the outfit, and I personally love shoes. I love collecting shoes, and I've also seen that most of the girls are really confused on what kind of shoes should they buy, what kind of footwear should they buy, what kind of footwear should they take to improve their shoe collection, etc, etc. So I decided to come up with this video in which I'll show you the necessary kind of shoes that every girl should own: heels, flats, flip-flops, etc. And hopefully this video will help you improve your shoe collection, and I really hope you enjoy this video and I hope you find this video helpful. So without further blabbering, let's just get started. But before we get started with the video, I just have a few things to say. I want to thank all of you guys for helping me reach 300 subscribers. That was one of my goals, and you helped me finish it before the month ended. So thank you all for subscribing to my channel. And if you're watching this video and you aren't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because that will just notify you whenever I post a new video. Also, if you end up liking this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And I plan to do a question answer and dares video. So if you have any questions that you want to ask me or any dares that you want to see me do, go ahead and put that in the comments below, and I'll be happy to do the dares or answer your questions and give you a big shout out. So that's all I have to say, and without any further delay, let's just get started with the video. Alright, now let's get started with the basics. So I think that all of the girls should totally own a pair of boots. Now you can go ahead and buy any kind of boots that you like, but I prefer ankle length boots. My favorite color is black, so I bought a pair of ankle length boots in the color black, but you can go ahead with any kind of color that you like. I personally prefer boots with a side heel, which is comfortable of course. Like, this heel is really comfortable. So if you wear a really casual outfit, but you really want to look like you tried hard in the outfit, and if you want the outfit to look on point, if you just wear any casual outfit with a pair of heel boots, it will totally give your outfit a slight edge and your outfit will look on point. So I personally think that every girl should own a pair of ankle length boots. Shoes that I'm going to be talking about are stilettos. Now I personally am a little partial towards heels and stilettos and pumps because I love heels. I'm a heels person. So I'm going to be showing you guys two pairs of heels that every girl should own. Now the first one that I'm going to be talking about are black pumps. Heels as it is give an edge to your outfit. So you can totally pair these black pumps with LBDs, the little black dresses, or white dresses. The white and black look really nice together. Hot pink, blue, basically any color, because black is really versatile. Now, like I said, I'm kind of partial towards heels. I'm going to be showing you another pair that I think that every girl should own. These are a pair of brown stilettos, brown pumps. Now, so again, this has a really nice platform, which means your foot is on the same level like so, and these are also 6-inched. So like, not all of you might be comfortable in wearing these, and in case you aren't, I have a separate video on heel hacks. So if you want, you can go ahead and check that out, in which I tell you about tips of wearing heels and how you can walk in heels, etc. So make sure you check that out. The link will be in the description. And again, these are really nice. These are again really versatile. You can go with any color, you can go with any dress. You can wear these with a really nice flowy top and black leggings or jeans and pumps. You can wear this with a one piece, a dress, a gown, anything. I think every girl should own a pair of stilettos, basically two pair of stilettos with the basic colors of black, brown, beige, etc. So totally go ahead and buy one of these. Now the next kind of shoes that I'm going to be talking about are a pair of really nice sports shoes. Now if you're into gymming and running and basically working out, you need a good pair of sports shoes which are comfortable for you. Now I'm not really into gymming and working out, so I don't know what kind of shoes go with what, but I think basic sports shoes are what you need. So mine are from Adidas, but I really need to change these ones because these are worn out, and you don't necessarily need to buy a very expensive pair of Nikes or like Adidas shoes or whatever, but buy the pair of shoes that are comfortable for you, which have a nice sole and a nice grip to them, and that is all you need. So if you're working out, please make sure that you own a nice comfortable pair of sports shoes so that you don't end up with foot aches and swollen feet, etc. So yeah, if you are a girl who works out and gyms, So don't forget to have a pair of good sports shoes in your wardrobe. Now let's move on to the next pair of shoes. So the next pair of shoes that I'm going to be talking about are a pair of really cute and chic shimmery bellies. Now these ones are from Street Style store. I personally love shimmer and I love glitter, so these ones are the perfect ones for me. And I think every girl should own a pair of shimmery shoes in her shoe collection. So whenever you go to like a really fancy party and everyone has put their best foot forward with really shimmery stilettos and wedges, etc. And if you're a flats person, you can totally show up wearing these. These ones are glittery, these ones have a bow on it, and they are really chic and really pretty. So if you're not really into heels and if you really like to spice up your outfits, glittery shimmery bellies is what you need to spice up your outfit, and these are a total staple in every shoe collection that a girl owns. Now the last pair of shoes that I'm going to be talking about are nude loafers. Now I personally adore loafers because they look really smart and pretty at the same time. So loafers are something that I totally adore and I think that every girl should have. And on top of it, these ones are nude, like these ones are brown. So like brown, beige and nude colors go with everything, with every color, and loafers personally really spice up a formal outfit. So I think every girl should own a pair of nude loafers, like brown or beige loafers. These are a staple. So that was it for my video. Those are all the shoes that I think that every girl should totally have in her shoe collection. I hope this video helped you and I hope you guys get inspired from the shoes that I showed you, and I hope this helps you buy shoes and make and build your shoe collection. If this video helped you anyway, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. It will just notify you. And if you're still watching, please don't forget to leave a question or a dare for me in the comments below, because I'm doing a question answer and dare video next. So I have enough questions and dares, I would film the video and I'll post it in like the next week. So yeah, that was about it. Thanks for watching. Bye. So that was it for my video. Those are all the shoes that I think that every girl should totally have in her shoe collection. I hope this video helped you and I hope you guys get inspired from the shoes that I showed you. If this video helped you anyway, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. It will just notify you. And if you're still watching, please don't forget to leave a question or a dare for me in the comments below, because I'm doing a question answer and dare video next. So I have enough questions and dares, I would film the video and I'll post it in like the next week. So yeah, that was about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.